Welcome to Ecom Premium. Today we will see how we can sign up on Shopify in just 2 to 3 minutes. First of all, you have to click on the link given in the description of this video. After clicking on the link, you have to provide the email address. You will see this window of Shopify. Start for free, then enjoy $1 per month for 3 months, and then you have to simply enter your email. After entering email, click on Start Free Trial. Okay, after clicking on Start Free Trial, just click I'm just starting. After clicking on I'm just starting, click next, and then you have to select where would you like to sell. We will be selling on an online store, and if you are also planning to sell in person, you can select this one, or you can also select social media, an existing website or blog if you already have online marketplaces. If you wish to sell on Amazon, eBay, it's say Walmart, and then you have to click next. After clicking on this, you have to select what do you plan to sell first. Like if you are planning for dropshipping products, you can select this one. Are the products I buy or make myself, then you can also select this one. And if you are planning for NFTs, digital art, music, or digital products, you can select this. If you are planning to have your services, then click this one. And if you are going with print on demand products, you can select this one. So we'll be clicking on next. After then, you can select your country in which you want to start your Shopify store, and then you can click next. Okay, after this you'll see it will be asked you to start with your ID, and now your account is signing up. Shop offers the best converting checkouts. It's validating your accounts. It's generating credentials for you. It's a very simple sign up on Shopify in just 2 to 3 minutes. You have seen this that we only got our it only took our 2 to 3 minutes here, and now our Shopify boom. Our Shopify store is signed up and it's ready to sell our products. Thank you so much. If you like the video, press the bell icon and subscribe the channel for more videos. Thank you so much.